Assalamu alaikum class metric. How are you all? Hopefully you are fine, and today we are starting our lecture. Today is 20 July and today we are starting exercise 1.2. Our question is set A. Set A is FACE and set B is EGDF. Are the subset of universal set. Universal set is ABCDEFG. We have to list the element of A complement. Class, as you know that the A complement is U minus A. We will subtract the elements of A from set U. The U set is ABCDEFG and A set is FACE. So we will subtract the A set from the U set. The remaining F will be subtracted from F, A will be subtracted from A, C will be subtracted from C, E will be subtracted from E. Then the remaining elements will be B, D, G. This is the A complement because we have subtracted the A set from U set. Now we are doing B complement. B complement means subtracting B from universal set. U set is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. We will subtract the B set from U set. B is E, G, D, F. So the answer will be A, B, C. Because after subtracting B from U, the remaining elements will be A, B, C. This is the B complement. Now A intersection B. Now A intersection B. A is FAC. We have inserted intersection sign here. B is EGDF. So A intersection B answer is EF because these are the two elements which are present in both elements. In intersection we have to write the common elements. So E and F are only elements that are present in both sets, or both are common element of A and B. Now coming towards 4 is A union B complement. A union B complement means U minus A union B. First we will find A union B. Elements of A are FACE and EGDF. Elements of B is EGDF. We will find union. In union we write the element in series. So our answer of A union B will be A, C, D, E, F, G. This is of our answer of our A union B. Now we will subtract this A union B from U. U is A, B, C, D, F, G, and we will subtract our answer of A union B from this U, that is A, C, D, E, F, G. So after subtracting A, C, D, E, F, G, we will get the answer B. So our answer will be B after subtracting the A union B from U set. So our answer is B. Now we are doing the A intersection B complement. Here first we will find the B complement. As we know that the subtracting B from U, we will get the B complement. After we will do the intersection with the B complement, we will write the U set and then we subtract the minus B. And after subtracting B from U, we will get ABC. So we get the ABC as our answer after subtracting B from U. This is B complement. Now we will do intersection of B complement with set A. Set A is FACE and we will do intersection with the B complement. So which elements are common in B complement and A? Only A and C are common in both sets. So our answer is AC. So today we did question 1 2 3 4 5 of exercise 1.2, and question 6 7 8 9 10 11 are your homework. From question 6 to question 11 are your homework. Inshallah we will meet in the next class. So Allah Hafiz.